In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a file from quarantine using Kaspersky 2025. We've all been there, dealing with files mistakenly flagged by antivirus software. It can feel like those important files have vanished into the abyss. But don't worry, because today, we're diving right into retrieving them back safely. First things first, you'll want to open your Kaspersky application. If you aren't sure where to find it, it might be on your desktop. Or you can search for it in your Start menu if you're using Windows. Once Kaspersky is open, you'll be greeted by its main interface. You should see a variety of options here, but we want to focus on the one labeled Security. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the next step. Now that you've clicked on Security, you'll be taken to a section dedicated to various security settings. Here is where the magic starts to happen. Your next move is to navigate to the Security settings. Clicking on this will guide you deeper into the application settings where we can start making changes that relate specifically to quarantined files. Once you're within the security settings, keep an eye out for a subsection marked as Advanced Settings. This area typically contains many of the more detailed configurations of the software. By clicking on Advanced Settings, you give yourself access to the tools needed to ensure a safer experience with Kaspersky. As you venture further into advanced settings, look for an option labeled Reports and Quarantine. This section is exactly where you need to be when you are dealing with quarantined files. Clicking on this will bring all quarantined files into view. It's the place where Kaspersky temporarily holds items it has identified as potentially harmful. When you're in the Reports and Quarantine section, take a moment to carefully review the list of files. These are the files that the software quarantined because they showed some characteristics of malware or other security threats. Pick the file you wish to restore. It's important here to be certain about the file, as restoring an unsafe one can pose risks to your computer. Click on the file to select it, and you should see an option to restore it. By clicking Restore, the file will be moved out of quarantine, and you can access it as normal. However, consider taking extra precautions with this file if you're unsure of its origins to ensure it is safe to use. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to handle quarantined files in Kaspersky 2025 like a pro. Remember, always be cautious, and when in doubt, consult a professional. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.